Mayon. Janet E. Kumbaga. Maria Cristina O. De Rosa. And Christine Ann L. Zamora. Next, sport, Luis, Mrs. Cynthia Arroyo,
I would like to acknowledge the presence of the principal of the San Lopez Integrated School, who used to be the master teacher in the high school, Mr. Manuel Maguelta. Thank you, sir, for coming.
the graduates of 4 James, Alexis S. Adelante.